What's up guys, it's me Larsa. Welcome to my channel. This is another episode of Lockdown with Larsa or whatever you want to call it. But this is another episode. I'm excited to do this because I am not alone in my house anymore. Since there's someone with me in the house now, I want to show you what it's like. And we have some fun things lined up for the day. Some really interesting ideas. And just excited. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Say hello to Shraddha. If you guys have been on my channel and you know me since long, you know who she is. She is my best friend. Best friend. We have a very strong bond, and it's like we're friends for very long. We stay like 10 minutes away, and that's why like when the lockdown was a little much better, I told her come over, and she's going to be here for I think 10 to 15 days.
Yeah, there's no going back.
Yeah, like it's been such a difficult time being alone here, and I've had so many negative thoughts, so many weird phases, and with her around it just feels much better. It feels like there's someone in there's someone in the house. We had a workout. We're going to work out in the evening as well because we are on some mission. Now we are going to have our breakfast and also our favorite beverage of our lives. Chai.
By the way, if someone coming from my account, I'm telling you, I'm just having chai with her. Otherwise, I don't. मैं बोलती रहती हूँ, like, you know, no milk, no milk.
Oh yeah, like it's a deal. We love chai, and I think more than anything, chai is much more about bonding than drinking it. I think the thing about like making chai together is a different thing, like.
Yeah.
So what's for breakfast? Let's have a look. So I have my breakfast here. I'm having some quinoa with some veggies, and I did not make it, very honestly. I got it from Food Darji. It's like a food subscription thing, and they give you like really healthy food, and there's like breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, and they do it according to calories. You can even get a keto diet. It's great. It's like really yummy food but healthy at the same time. But we have something interesting from this girl who's busy in her phone. She's on a hardcore diet, and she's lost a lot of weight also. She's walking on this path of healthy food and healthy intake at the moment, and it's brought a good change in her life.
Yeah.
And if you guys want to know more, please follow her on Instagram. Okay guys, any questions about cutlery or anything, it's all on my YouTube channel. All my cutlery is from Chumbak. I love them, and this is also from Chumbak. So I'm in my closet, and I was really excited after the lockdown was lifted. I mean, it wasn't lifted, but then the companies had started delivering again. So I ordered a lot of stuff from Nykaa, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I make a lot of these makeup looks suddenly, all of a sudden, out of nowhere. And I really wanted these colorful palettes. I had a few, but then I wanted some more. So I did a little haul, and I asked you guys if you want to see it. You said yes. So here it is. I'm doing my Nykaa haul. Okay, I picked 3 eyeshadow palettes from Huda Beauty. Now I've used a lot of Huda Beauty products. I love Huda Beauty a lot. I think the pigmentation is great, especially with the eyeshadow palettes. And I didn't want to risk it with anything else, and a lot of things were out of stock. I also wanted to try out ColourPop cosmetics, like for eyeshadow palettes. I've heard they're really nice, but then again, ColourPop, I don't think so, is on Nykaa. So let me take you through this. I picked this Huda Beauty palette in Emerald Obsessions, and it's this really gorgeous green shades. I love it, and the pigmentation is great. There's some shiny shades, there's some matte. Then we have some amethyst and sapphire. So this one's like all pink and purple. It's great, and this one's my favorite. It's so gorgeous. Lovely blues. I wanted to get this since a long time because I don't have these shades at all, the blues especially, the aqua blue. I also picked my usual Bombshell, a liquid matte. Anyway, the next one, I really want to try the bullets. So this is a Huda Beauty interview in matte lipstick, and I've seen a lot of people try it. I want to try it as well. This is what it looks like. It's on my lips right now, and I added a little bit of red. I usually do that. I add like a nude, and then I add a red over it, red or pink, whatever. Then I picked these pencils that are in orange, yellow, aqua blue and green. I have not tried these out yet. They're from Lakme. I also picked this eyeliner from Nykaa. It's called Glamorize and it's in Emerald Wand 09. My dear friend broke it when we bought it. She broke it.
I'll buy it for you. Don't worry.
No, that's not the thing. She is so clumsy with
I'm so
things.
sorry. I didn't know it was.
She's so clumsy. She's like, wow, ye kya hai? She opened it like that and it broke. And this is not the only thing that she's broken in my house recently. Alright, next we come to L'Oreal Flash Cat Eye Super Liner. I've been using one, it's over, so I wanted to restock. This is amazing, love it. It glides perfectly and it's super dark. It's not watery like other liners. Then I bought like a pair of contact lenses. This is from Olens and this is my favorite contact lens brand. The first time I used them, they sent it to me. They sent me the lenses, but this time I bought it on my own and I actually love it. This one's in Russian velvet and it's very nice. It looks very natural. Then we have this floral makeup remover. I'm a big fan of makeup remover oils and I think that's the best way to remove makeup without damaging your skin, you know, by rubbing it. Last but not the least, I restocked my Body Shop Fresh Nude Foundation in Sicily Amber. I use this. This is my 4th bottle. Never getting over this. This is the best if you want a nice dewy makeup look. This is what I have on my face right now. And I love this ring light. It's so good. I'm going to link all these items in my description. I'm also going to link my ring light that's in front of me right now that I picked from Amazon for 4,000 rupees. It's a good buy, I think. It's just been a day and it's working well. But if you want to get one for yourself from this link in my description. So that's it for the Nykaa haul. Let's move on with the day, shall we? Hey, have you ever played the Nimbu and spoon race in your school? Have you ever? I have a brilliant idea. Okay, so we are going to do a little challenge. Okay, we are going to play the Nimbu and spoon race. And whoever wins the race is the winner. But whoever loses has to put an Instagram story saying, like,
I did not agree to this.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Okay.
That the other one, say for example, if I win and you lose, you have to put an Instagram story saying, I am a dog and I like to bow wow. No!
That sounds really wrong.
Okay, that sounds wrong. Okay, something else.
I shat twice today.
No. You can say, I shat twice today. No way. You can say, I am a dog and I will prove it to you. And then there's going to be a video of you doing like walking like a dog in the room. You have to put it as an Instagram story.
So you're sure that you're going to win?
I'm not sure.
You have to do it.
I'm not sure. Okay, let's do this. But you have to come all the way till here. Have the lemon in the spoon and clap thrice. That's when you finish. क्या मैं नहीं आ रही? I threw it once I reached here. Heart attack. मुझे heart attack आ रहा है.
Now you have to be a dog. Come on. So, how does it feel to lose? And
I have failed so many times. I'm just so used to it.
by the way, I didn't tell you I'm a pro at this. I didn't tell you before because
Nimbu and spoon game.
Yes.
You bitch. Okay, wait. What's up, guys? This is a dare. I am a dog, and I will prove it to you.
So I was quietly doing my work, and Larissa started this.
Who should I just pat?
This stupid challenge that she's lost at, and now she has to act like a dog to prove that she's a dog. Let's see what she does.
Woo! Woo!
Do it in front of the camera.
Chal.
Marissa? Play with your brother. Don't kill it.
This is what dogs do.
Yeah. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Good girl.
Okay, I'm done with being a dog, but I want to show you what Shraddha is eating today. She has some baked sweet potatoes. You know, the first time I saw it, I was so scared.
It's the best.
It is just like, I don't usually get it, but I just saw it here the other day. It was on my pan. I got so scared. It looks so creepy. Look at this. I was like, ये कौन सा बड़ा राक्षस कीड़ा आ गया?
Yeah, it's super healthy. You can replace this
Yeah.
with your breakfast or like snacks. It's healthy and you don't need anything. It's just so tasty. I have this. That's not peeled. How was it?
Mmm. It's so sweet and nice. Oops. My heart went. Oops. Ah. My heart just got stuck between these oops. You know the song if you're addicted to TikTok. Anyway, I'm having my lunch right now. What am I having? I'm having like one roti and this much of murg, rava, pyaz. So the thing about my diet is like I have always been eating, my portions for food has been like so much. Because I don't know, like every time we ate at home, my dad would say, eat more, eat more. And there was so much rice on my plate, and then there was curry, and there was fish, and then there was some bhaji, and I had to eat everything. I was always like threatened about like
Threatened?
Yeah, like not
Yeah.
threatened, like I was always scolded if I didn't eat. And I remember like we would sit on the floor and eat our food, okay? We would eat our food, and if you don't like something, for example, like I eat everything because of that.
Yeah.
If you don't like
Yes.
anything and you say I don't want, he would be like,
I'll put it in your pocket.
no, he would say, let's see what happens. Eat it. Let's see what happens.
My dad used to tell me he'll put it in my pocket if I don't eat it. So
Ew.
I didn't want to dirty my clothes. I used to eat.
Yeah, so we were so terrorized from like by our
Yeah.
father. We would just eat everything, and that's why I eat anything. I think my calorie intake was always 1800 to 2000 every
Oh.
day. Yeah, like before, because I ate so much, or maybe like 1500 to 1800. But it's, I mean, I think the most
That's-
you need is 1500.
For girls, I think it's 1500.
Yeah, at the-
your,
yeah.
your height is 1500.
Yeah, my height is 1500. I'm
For me,
5'7".
it's 1300.
Yeah. I mean, if you go lesser, then you lose a lot of fats, and then you lose your boobs as well, and that's
Yeah.
not a good thing. So you don't want to lose your boobs, so have the calories that's required and work out. Yes, I'm gonna have my lunch. Thank you, Food Darji. This video is not sponsored, by the way.
Yeah.
It's not sponsored, although they're sending me the food and it's like a PR thing. Anyways, I think we're gonna eat our lunch
Yeah.
and watch Vampire Diaries.
Yes! Oh, fuck, I forgot.
Get the laptop! नहीं मालूम यार. We are having like
The existence block.
yeah, like existence block literally. Like Shraddha was sitting on the couch looking into her phone. I was sitting in the bedroom looking into my phone. Came to the couch and I asked her like what we are supposed to do, and she's like,
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I'm like waiting for you to say something. We are bored of like even Vampire Diaries. Not bored, but like
Yeah. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I will cut your hair.
let's do it.
Yeah, like she wanted bangs.
I did, but I'm not sure. Like maybe I should just do it. What do you think?
Yeah, let's do it.
It's like this much, this part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's
Let's
get
do
a
it.
haircut. Let's do it. Okay, so Shraddha just got a little busy with a live session, but before that I have some time on me. So I'm going to show you something interesting that I did. A few days ago, I made a TikTok video on how I shaved half of my eyebrow to give it a brow lift kind of an effect. And this is what my eyebrows look like right now. But this is not what they originally look like. They are half shaved, and this is just like an extension to my eyebrows. So today I'm going to show you what my eyebrows look like in real. Yes, so this is some makeup oil, and I'm going to remove my makeup over my eyebrow. So this is the eyebrow. Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? It kind of looks the same. Yeah, you see the difference. Yeah, so these are my real eyebrows. So the thing about shaving half of your eyebrows is that you can shape it however you want. Now my eyebrow was initially like this, okay? This was what my eyebrow was like, and that just makes your eyes droopy. But if your eyebrows are something like this, then your eyes look bigger and nicer. So I'm just gonna make it into something like this, give it an arch. Yeah, you see? So that looks much nicer. It gives you a nice lift, like an automatic lift. And yeah, this one as well. But the thing is, if you're working out, if you're out, it might just melt, and if you just smudge your hands like this, your eyebrow might vanish. So what are you gonna do? I think the best thing to do is use eyeliner, like a waterproof eyeliner. But guys, like, this eyebrow has so much maintenance to do, yeah? Like, there's so much maintenance for this eyebrow. I kind of like it. I love how this looks, and I'm gonna stay with this for a very, very long time. What do you think? Okay, so it's 6:30 in the evening, and we are having our chai nashta a little late than usual because we had a work call together. It's something interesting that's coming up. But apart from that, we have our chef Shraddha cooking some poha. If I die today, it's because of her.
Dude, it's looking good. Like, just smell it.
She put the chili, the mirchi, and the onion together, and it was like, the poha is ready, and it's time for judgment. Looks great, yellow and red, and you know, all the colors are in here.
Yes, the OG poha.
20 out of 10.
Thanks, Ira.
Still haven't cut Shraddha's hair.
Yeah.
She wanted to get her bangs, but we still haven't done it.
Maybe tomorrow.
No, we'll do it in the night.
We'll come back and do it.
Raat baki, baat baki, hona hai jo.
Okay then.
Ho jaane do. You know, everybody's watching Netflix series, so I started watching Vampire Diaries, and I've heard so much about it because it's an old series.
Yeah.
I started watching Vampire Diaries, and I was hooked. And
I was so reluctant on watching
I
it.
told her, I'm like, please watch it. I want to discuss it with someone. I have to like watch it with someone. Like, I need to discuss. And she was like, and I somehow convinced her to watch it.
Now I'm addicted.
She's addicted, and
All I can think about is the brothers.
Damon Salvatore, and even my mom watches
Yeah.
Vampire Diaries now. Like, I made her watch Money Heist, and she loved it, and now she's watching Vampire Diaries. And the other day we were just, you know, walking Taz, and she looks at this bush, and she says, "Oh look, that's Vervain." If you're a Vampire Diaries fan, you would know.
Yeah.
Anyway, you tell us, like, what are you watching during this lockdown? What's been your binge watching series? Oh my god, it's the next day. I did not vlog last night because we had something really important that came up all of a sudden, but today is a new day, and I will be finishing my day in my life vlog today by afternoon lunchtime. I hope that's okay with you. Keeping it as spontaneous as possible and not thinking too much before anything else. One important task that's left to do is cut Shraddha's hair. She's gone for a shower and we're going to do that, and that's going to be exciting. Okay, guys, so we're finally here. We finally have gotten to that part of the day where we can finally cut her hair.
Yeah.
And this is not the first time I'm cutting somebody's hair. I have cut a lot of people's hair. They trust me a lot with their hair.
Yeah. She's in fact cut my bangs, I think 2-3 years ago.
Yeah, 3 years ago I cut her
Spontaneously in a party.
bangs. Yeah, at a New Year's party.
yeah.
And I've also cut my own hair a lot of times. My own bangs, my mom's hair, like even my auntie, my sister,
Let's see
even
how
Siddharth's hair for that
Yeah.
matter. So I think getting bangs is a really fun experiment to do with your look because it changes.
I've
your
never
mood.
had bangs, like real bangs.
It's like a good makeover, especially if you want to look younger. Getting bangs is the best.
Are you saying I'm old?
I mean, we are 27,
I better not laugh like
not
this.
getting any younger. Okay, wait.
She's literally cutting my hair with the knife, the scissors that we used to open milk.
I know any hairstylist here.
Nivedita shouldn't see this.
Yeah, she's going to be like, oh god, what are these girls doing? But I know these are not your hair cutting scissors, but
It's okay.
forget it.
It's just hair. It grows back.
Yeah, it grows back. Can be taken care of. Not like you're cutting off our fingers.
No! I don't trust you suddenly.
Haravi! Anyway, please don't try this at home if
Yeah.
you're not sure and then come and blame me.
Yeah.
Don't blame me.
Hmm.
मैंने कुछ नहीं बताया.
I wouldn't do it for someone. Because
Look like the Martian right now. Fuck.
don't do this to me. Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, guys, so we have a reveal of the haircut. Ooh.
Oh, I quite like it. I'm not going to lie.
If I want to remove the hairband, I think it's cute.
It is.
Yeah, it makes her look younger and it looks damn cute.
Yeah.
Good.
I hope so.
So I think that was the end of this vlog. We've actually expanded, we've actually extended it for 2 days.
Yeah.
And it was a fun 24-30 hours, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. It was as raw as possible. I know you guys love it, so I kept it as raw as possible. All our stupid jokes, all our stupid things that we did. If you're watching it till here, hats off to you because that takes courage.
Yes.
Anyway, so that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments below and tell us what was your favorite part of the day. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.